Ugandan President Yoweri Museveni has officially assented to the Protection of Sovereignty Act 2026. The sweeping new law, passed amid fierce parliamentary debate, imposes strict criminal penalties and registration protocols on foreign funded operations, marking an aggressive step to shield Kampala from external political interference. Fresh off being sworn in for a historic seventh term following his January election victory, the 81-year-old leader finalized the legislation passed by Parliament on May 6th. The law establishes severe frameworks. It criminalizes promoting foreign interest over Uganda's national security, mandates the registration of all foreign agents with the Ministry of Internal Affairs, and bans unauthorized policy programming. Critically, following intense pushback from Bank of Uganda Governor Michael Atingi-Ego regarding a potential drop in foreign exchange reserves, Parliament amended the law to explicitly exempt diaspora remittances, foreign direct investment, legitimate trade, and humanitarian aid from its restrictive financial caps. For civil society groups and international investors, the legal stakes are incredibly high. Violations of standard provisions carry up to 10 years in prison. Even more stringent are the penalties tied to economic sabotage, defined as any act by a foreign agent that knowingly spreads false information or coordinates disruptive activities to weaken the economy. Under these terms, corporate entities facing staggering fines of up to 2 billion Ugandan shillings, roughly 530,000 US dollars, while individuals face a 1 billion shilling penalty alongside 10 years behind bars. Proponents argue that intervention is vital to neutralize non governmental organizations acting as political proxies for Western interests. However, analysts warn the ambiguous wording gives authorities massive leeway to criminalize political assent and stunt independent civic advocacy. The sovereignty law directly complements Museveni's broader long term agenda of resource nationalism. As Uganda prepares to launch its first commercial oil production later this year from its vast mineral fields, the administration is aggressively moving to halt the export of raw materials and enforce domestic processing across all extractive sectors. Following the complete expulsion of French and American assets across the Sahel, East Africa is now building its own regulatory walls against international leverage. Uganda has drawn its line in the sand. Foreign capital is only welcome if it plays by Kampala's rules. I am Otaria Benjamin, reporting with clarity on the issues that impact our continent. This is Media Room Africa.